Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, especially to you, Dr. Normina Bantukan. Tonight, I will be presenting a discussion of an existing study focusing on its key components, particularly the statement of the problem, methodology, findings or results, as well as the conclusions. So this presentation aims to give us a clear understanding of how the study was conducted and what significant findings were obtained. To start with, the research title that I have chosen is entitled Investigation of Private School Teachers' Perceptions on the Management of Educational Technologies Integration Processes by Gun Dok Du and Kirk Kick. As for the statement of the problem, first, what are the perception of private school teachers regarding technology integration management? Second, is there a significant difference in private school teachers' perception of technology integration management according to their age, gender, type of school, educational status, professional seniority, seniority in institution, and level of use of educational technologies? Moving on to the research method, the study used a quantitative research design, specifically a descriptive survey method, to determine teachers' perceptions of technology integration management in private school. This approach focuses on measuring how independent variables explain changes in dependent variables and allows findings to be generalized to a larger population. It was also used to describe the thoughts and attitudes of teachers regarding a specific situation or phenomenon. The study group consisted of teachers in Istanbul, where a total population of approximately 179,895 educators was identified based on Ministry of National Education data of 2023. From this population, 220 school teachers were selected as respondents through simple random sampling using an online survey form. The demographic profile of the participants is presented in the Table 1. The study used Teachers' Perception Scale on Technology Integration Processes, developed by DOMES of 2023, as the main data collection tool. With permission from the developer, the scale demonstrated strong reliability with Cronbach's alpha values of 0.84, 0.83, and 0.82 for its three factors, and an overall reliability of 0.93. In this study, the scale also showed high internal consistency with Cronbach's alpha values of 0.819 for the analysis and their strategy, 0.850 for the management and organization, and 0.868 for the evaluation, and an overall reliability of 0.920, indicating that the instrument is highly reliable. The questionnaire consisted of two parts. The first gathered the demographic profile of private school teachers, while the second assessed their perceptions of technology integration management. The data were collected online during the first semester of the 2023 to 2024 academic year after securing approval from the Ethics Committee. The researchers distributed the study's purpose and questionnaire link to the participants electronically. Teachers voluntarily completed the scale of teachers' perception of technology integration processes at their own convenience. The study assumed that participants responded honestly and accurately to all items in the survey. To check whether the data are distributed normally or not, the skewness and kurtosis values calculated for the teacher's perception scale on technology integration processes are given in the Table 2. Table 2 shows the kurtosis and skewness of the teacher's perception scale on technology integration processes is between positive 1.5 and negative 1.5. This result shows a normal distribution. Information regarding the data analysis using SPSS is provided below. Descriptive analysis were conducted for the teacher's perception scale on technology integration, processes, and subdimensions. Independent samples t-test was applied to determine a significant difference in the results obtained from the teacher's perception scale on technology integration processes and subdimension according to gender and educational status. The Kruskal-Wallis test was used to determine the existence of a significant difference between the teacher's perception scale on technology integration processes and subdimensions, the level of use of educational technologies, and the type of school they work in. If there was a significant difference, the Mann-Whitley-U test was used to understand which groups had a difference. As seen in Table 3, when the analysis results of teachers' perception of technology integration processes are examined, the average of the analysis and strategy subdimensions was 3.01. The average of the management organization subdimension was 3.46, and the average of the evaluation subdimension was 3.41. According to these results, teachers working in private schools are undecided about the analysis and or strategy and evaluation subdimensions of their institution's technology integration management perception. They are at the agree level in the management and or organization subdimension. As seen in Table 4, according to the results of the independent samples t-test applied regarding the existence of a significant difference between the average of the private school teachers' perception scale on technology integration processes and their genders, analysis and strategy dimension, organization dimension, and evaluation dimension, there is no significant difference between the male and female groups. As seen in Table 5, according to the results of the t-test applied regarding the existence of a significant difference between the average of the private school teachers' perception scale on technology integration processes and their educational status, analysis and strategy dimension, organization dimension, and evaluation dimension, there is no significant difference between the groups. As seen in Table 6, according to the results of the one-way ANOVA applied regarding the existence of a significant difference between the perceptions of private school teachers on technology integration management and the variable of their level of use of educational technologies, management and organization, and in the evaluation subscale, there is no significant difference between groups. In the analysis and or strategy subscale, a total scale, a significant difference was found between the groups. As seen in Table 7, according to the results of the LSD test applied to see which components of the group have a significant difference between private school teachers' perceptions of technology integration management and the variable of their level of use of educational technologies, the difference is between the good group and the fair and very good groups. It is seen that among the group, it is in favor of the good group. Their perceptions of technology integration management are higher in the analysis and strategy subdimensions and in the general scale compared to teachers whose level of use of educational technologies is good, and private school teachers who are between the fair and very good groups. As seen in Table 8, according to the results of the Kruskal-Wallis-H test applied regarding the existence of a significant difference between perceptions of private school teachers on technology integration management and the variable of the type of school they work in, analysis and strategy dimension, management and organization dimension, there is no significant difference between groups. In the evaluation dimension and the total scale, there is a significant difference between groups. As seen in Table 9, according to the results of the Mann-Whitley-U test applied to understand in which components of the group there is a significant difference between perceptions of private school teachers on technology integration management and the variable of the school type they work in the kindergarten group, in the evaluation subdimension, and the high school group in favor of the kindergarten group. As seen in Table 10, according to the results of the one-way ANOVA applied regarding the existence of a significant difference between perceptions of private school teachers on technology integration management and the age variable, analysis under strategy subscale, management and or organization, evaluation subscale, and overall subscale, there is no significant difference between the groups. As seen in Table 11, according to the results of the one-way ANOVA applied regarding the existence of the significant difference between perceptions of the private school teachers on technology integration management and the variable of the professional seniority, analysis and or strategy subdimension, management and or organization, in the evaluation subdimension, overall scale, there is no significant difference between groups. And as seen in Table 12, according to the results of the one-way ANOVA applied regarding the existence of a significant difference between perceptions of a private school teachers on technology integration management and the variable of their seniority in the institution, analysis and or strategy dimension, in the management and or organization dimension, on the evaluation dimension, overall scale, there is no significant difference between groups. Then finally, as for the research discussion and or conclusion, findings regarding the problem of what is the level of perception of private school teachers regarding technology integration management and the average of a total scale scores of perceptions on technology integration management were found to be at the medium level. The second question, do private school teachers' perceptions of technology integration management differ significantly according to age, gender, type of school, educational status, professional seniority, seniority in the institution, and level of use of education technologies? The evaluation of the findings regarding the problem is below. That ends my report. May God bless us all.